Hey everyone, if you just cut the cord and switch to DirecTV on your Roku device, navigating the live TV layout can feel a little different compared to a traditional cable box. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to pull up the TV guide, navigate through channels, and easily use the Cloud DVR feature to record your favorite shows. Let's get right into it. First, make sure you have the DirecTV app open on your Roku home screen. When the app loads up, it usually starts playing the last channel you watched. To pull up the main TV guide, all you need to do is press the up arrow or the OK button on your Roku remote. This will bring up the bottom overlay menu. From here, navigate to the guide option and press OK. Now you will see the full interactive TV guide on your screen. You can use the up and down arrows on your remote to scroll through all your available live channels. If you want to jump ahead in time to see what is airing later today or tomorrow, simply use the right arrow key to move across the time slots. Next, let's talk about the Cloud DVR feature, which is incredibly useful. If you see a show or a movie currently playing on the guide that you want to record, highlight that program and press the OK button on your remote. This will open the show's info page. On this screen, you will see a clear option that says record. Just click OK on that and DirecTV will instantly start saving that program to your cloud storage. If it is a TV series, it will even ask you if you want to record just that single episode or the entire series. Select your preference and you are good to go. To find all your recorded content later on, simply press the back button on your remote to bring up the main top menu, navigate to My Library and click OK. All your saved movies and episodes will be neatly organized right there, waiting for you to watch whenever you want. It is a super smooth interface once you get the hang of these remote shortcuts. If this quick navigation guide helped you out today, please smash that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy Roku and streaming tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.